Hey, Remy, are you here to decorate? Because we forgot. There's no way we're doing any kind of decorations right now. No way. We just had the worst staff meeting of the year. We have no holiday spirit. Our remote teaching stuff is going downhill right now. There is absolutely no way we're going to be able to do that, guys.
Mr. McMurray, that's ludicrous. It's preposterous that we're not going to decorate for Christmas. How can we fix this?
Remy says it's a Liberty hot tub party.
Randy says we can get a limo and drive around and look at Christmas lights.
Ramy says let's have a low-carb, gluten-free, vegan breakfast.
Ramy says what about a subscription to the Jelly of the Month Club?
Anyway, since there aren't any good ideas from you guys, I guess we'll go ahead and go with another one. I think the only way that we're going to be able to do this is if I push them into breakout rooms in the next staff meeting and force them to sing some carols until they get some happy holiday spirit going.
Whatever.
Yeah, that's a great one.
Good idea.
You are the boss.
Anyway.
I don't want a lot for Christmas. There is just one thing I need. I don't care about the presents underneath the Christmas tree. I just want you for my own, more than you could ever know. Make my wish come true.
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells swing and jingle bells ring. Snowing and blowing up bushels of fun. Now the jingle hop has begun. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells chime and jingle bell time. Dancing and prancing in Jingle Bell Square. In the frosty air, what a bright time. It's the right time to rock the night away. Jingle bell time is a swell time to go gliding in the one-horse sleigh.
Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, próspero año y felicidad. Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, próspero año y felicidad. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas.
Christmas tree. Have a